Maria Esperanza Christina Garcia Codilla Frasco, born December 25, 1981, is a Filipino lawyer and politician serving as the 18th Secretary of Tourism since June 30, 2022. She was the mayor of Lulon, Cebu from 2016 to 2022. Frasco is a lawyer by profession, having previously practiced international arbitration and commercial litigation at the Romulo Mabanta Buenaventura Sayac and De Los Angeles law firm. She is the daughter of Gwendolyn Garcia, who has served as the 24th governor of Cebu, and the granddaughter of former governor and Representative Pablo P. Garcia. Some members of the public and media commentators have questioned the optics of Frasco's prominent personal visibility campaigns. Magazine covers, large-format public signage, and highly branded appearances have drawn attention. For critics, the issue is not visibility itself, but timing and emphasis of her persona rather than tourist destinations. Esperanza Christina Garcia Codilla Frasco earned her bachelor's degree in legal management from Ateneo de Manila University, followed by the completion of her Juris Doctor at the same institution in 2006. She subsequently passed the bar examinations in 2007. The tourism department under Frasco's leadership met widely shared allegations that it spoiled a P49 million rebranding by causing a video production that used stock footage of other countries, a mediocre logo making, and not using photographers' thousands of shots of tourist spots, favoring the use of the image of Frasco instead. Personal life, Frasco married Vincent Duque Frasco, a current member of the House of Representatives representing Cebu's 5th Congressional District, on August 8, 2009. They have 4 children together. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.